In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly voice typing. By the end, you'll be dictating straight into Grammarly using a simple Chrome extension, so you can write faster without sacrificing clarity. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type VoiceWave extension for Chrome. You're looking for the official result from the Chrome Web Store. It should clearly show the extensions page with the familiar Add to Chrome button. Click that result to open the listing. On the extension page, take a quick moment to confirm it's the tool that enables voice typing across websites. When you're ready, select Add to Chrome, then confirm by choosing Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you'll see a brief confirmation. If you're asked for microphone access, allow it. This is essential for dictation to work. If you don't see the extension right away, that's normal. Chrome keeps extensions accessible from the puzzle icon in the toolbar, and you can manage visibility there later. Next, go to the Grammarly website and open any document or editor area where you can type. Click inside the writing space so your cursor is active. Now, right-click to open the context menu. You should see an option labeled Voice Typing. Click Voice Typing to bring up the microphone control from the extension. When the mic control appears, click the microphone to begin. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. Pause slightly between sentences, and if supported, you can say punctuation like period, comma, or new line to keep your text organized as you go. You'll see your words appear in the editor in real time. Keep your environment as quiet as possible for the best accuracy, and try to face your microphone. If you're using a headset or external mic, make sure it's selected in your system's input settings before you start. While you dictate, Grammarly's suggestions will continue to help with grammar, tone, and clarity. If the text needs quick fixes, you can pause speaking, apply the suggested edits, and continue dictating. When you're finished, click the mic again to stop recording. Take a moment to review what you've dictated, accept any final Grammarly suggestions, and polish the formatting. If the microphone doesn't respond or captures nothing, check that your browser has permission to use the mic for both the extension and the Grammarly site. Then try again. A quick browser refresh can also help. That's it. Search, add the extension, open Grammarly, right-click, choose voice typing, and start speaking. Enjoy a faster, hands-free writing workflow.